morning, Beckett. It's Great-Tia Paula here with a book to read to you. This is called Hiccups for Elephant. And it's a book that you'll be able to read in a couple of years. Pretty simple. It was given to your cousin Emily. Actually, she purchased it at a book fair at her school in 1999. It's called Hiccups for Elephant. It's cute. I like this book. It was nap time. All the animals were fast asleep. There's a chimp, short for chimpanzee, a lion, a zebra, and a mouse. They're fast asleep. Let's see what happens. If I could turn the page. What's with these pages? Here we go. All of them were asleep except for Elephant. He had the hiccups. Hiccup! Chimp woke up. He hiccuped so loud he woke up the monkey. I can cure those hiccups, Chimp said. Stand on your head and eat a banana. Look at Elephant. His eyes are big. I don't know about that. Elephant gave it a try. Kaboom! It only made him dizzy. He fell. He woke up Lion. Lion doesn't look too happy about that. It says, Lion woke up. I can cure those hiccups, Lion said. Drink lots of water very, very fast. Elephant doesn't think that's such a good idea either, but he's going to do it. Elephant gave it a try. He drank and he drank and he drank and drank. See, elephants get their water out of their trunk. So he's drinking right there. Look at Lion. Lion's so proud of himself. He thinks, he got the answer. He's going to cure the hiccups. Let's see. Hiccup! Zebra woke up. There's Zebra. I can cure those hiccups, Zebra said. Hold your breath and count to 10 backwards. Look at Elephant's face. He's like, I don't know about this. Elephant gave it a try. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What do you think's going to happen? Did it work? Hiccup! Mouse woke up, and he does not look very happy to be woken up. Let's see what he does. What's all the noise? Mouse asked. I'm trying to sleep. Poor Elephant has the hiccups, Chimp explained. Mouse looked Elephant in the eye. Boo! He shouted. And look at Elephant got scared. Everyone waited and waited, but there were no more hiccups. Chimp is waiting. Lion is waiting. Zebra is waiting. And the mouse is all proud of himself. He says, works every time. And Elephant looks pretty happy too. All the animals fell back asleep. except for elephant. Guess what happens? No, he doesn't hiccup. Now he says, achoo! Now he has his sneezes. Poor elephant. He probably never gets to sleep. I know I like my sleep. So that was hiccups for elephant. Oh, I forgot to put my bracelet on. But you know I love you. XOXO to my Beckett. Hugs and kisses from Great-Tia Paula. Love you.